Hello, I'm Dr. Nicole Edwards, board-certified family medicine physician. I specialize in taking chronic medical conditions and explaining them to people in terms that everyday people can understand. I wanted to take just a few moments today just to talk to you about your gut health. Yes, your guts. Did you know that if you're not cleansing out and clearing out your guts regularly and fully, that all of those toxins that are supposed to be cleaned out every time you use the bathroom actually can build up in your body? They can build up and they can go to your kidneys and your liver and your thyroid, back up into your sinuses, and just cause overall inflammation and make you feel just like you're dragging, that you're just not feeling well, that you're just feeling yucky. And that can be because you're not fully cleansing out your gut. Have you ever noticed when a dog eats very soon after they have to use the bathroom? Technically, people are supposed to be the same way. So if our guts are not cleaning out regularly and fully, then all of those toxins are backing up. So what happens if those toxins back up? Again, you feel like you're dragging, you feel sick to your stomach, you feel like you're gaining weight, you're just not feeling well or like yourself. It can even play a part in your mental health. So what can you do about it? A couple of things. One, make sure that you are eating plenty of fiber, all right? Plenty of fiber. That helps to clean out your guts, clean out your colon, and make sure that things are moving out and that those toxins are not building up. Number two, drink plenty of water. Yes, drink plenty of water. You should take your body weight, divide it by 2. That's how many ounces at minimum that you should drink per day. By drinking lots of water, you're helping to clear out your gut. You're also helping to make sure that those bowel movements can move smoothly. And thirdly, what you can do is take a supplement to help clear out your guts. What kind of supplement, you ask? Well, here's a great one. It's called Biome Clear. Biome Clear is part of Abundantly Natural, which is my all natural supplement line. We're taking it back to old school, before we had medicines, before we had all the pharmaceuticals, where we actually specialize in going back to those natural herbs and supplements and plant-based treatments to actually treat your chronic medical conditions. So with Biome Clear, we take oregano oil, ginger oil, and fennel oil, and it's a specially made blend of these oils, and we put them all together. By taking 1 capsule a day, that helps to clear out your gut. What will that help you do? It helps you do a couple of different things, like fighting bacteria, lowering cholesterol. It's a great antioxidant. It even helps with things like candida. Ladies, if you're having yeast infections, got to clear out your gut. It affects there too. It also helps as an anti-inflammatory. So if you're having lots of pain in your joints, this will help that as well. This will even help you lose weight because, again, clear out your gut. It clears out the weight. This can also help with your hair growth, with your skin, with your nails, and even with wound healing. So guys, if you're having any of those problems, make sure that you are focusing on clearing out your gut. And you can do that with Biome Clear. It's on my website, drnicoledo.com/shop. And the supplement is $44. And if you go on today, you can get some free shipping. And you got to clear out your gut in order to have full person health and whole person health, and in all ways, mind, body, spirit. All right. So again, I'm Dr. Nicole Edwards, board certified family medicine physician, affectionately known as Dr. Nicole DO. And I'm just here to encourage you all to clear out your gut. It'll help so many other problems. Follow me on all social media platforms, Dr. Nicole DO, and go to my website, drnicoledo.com, and look up Biome Clear to help clear out your guts and get you all the way healthy. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.